Today's episode being that the cheapest repair is often your most expensive is based on that reality. So after 22 years of running Urban Automotive, I can tell you solidly that price is what you pay, but cost is everything that follows. So with every choice we make in life, there's a consequence. Pretty fair to say. So we can get cheaper parts. We can choose not to do suggested repairs or maintenance, and we can put off that cost of the repair or delay the cost of the maintenance. But the consequence of doing that quite often results in a higher cost. And that comes in the form of breakdowns, tow truck expenses, lost work because you can't get to work, so lost revenue and income, ruined vacation time, stress, secondary damage that could have been avoided, and of course, general safety of you and your family and other people on the road that share the road with you. So people are quick to compare price, but they rarely include cost, the real cost. So an example of this would be we had a client that we did a vehicle inspection on, and we determined that their front wheel bearing was in need of replacement. It was noisy. No movement, but noisy. They decided to defer the repair, which is totally in their right, and they continued to drive the vehicle. 3 months later, the vehicle came back to our shop on a tow truck because, of course, the bearing finally failed. So instead of the $400 bearing replacement that we had quoted originally, we were now looking at replacing the wheel bearing, the hub, the ABS sensor for a total cost of over $1,000. So by deferring the repair and not getting it done right away, it actually saved them money initially, but it cost them more than double the cost that it would have been to just simply repair it in the first place. Did we sell them more work? No. Physics did.